In today's quick coding challenge, we're going to build a sentiment analysis tool using Rust. Sentiment analysis helps us determine whether a piece of text is positive, negative, or neutral. First, set up a new Rust project. Write this code in your main file. Okay, let's break down this Rust code together. First, we have this getSentimentLexicon function. This is like our little dictionary of emotions. We're creating hashmap, which is a super efficient way to store key-value pairs. In this case, our keys are words like amazing, good, bad, etc., and their values are numbers representing their sentiment. Amazing gets a score of 3, very positive, good gets 1, slightly positive, and so on. Next comes the analyzeSentiment function. This is where the magic happens. It takes a piece of text as input. We then loop through each word in the text. We convert the word to lowercase to make sure we can compare it correctly with our lexicon. Then, we check if that word exists in our lexicon. If it does, we grab its sentiment score and add it to our total score. Finally, we have the interpretSentiment function. This one takes the calculated score and decides whether the overall sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. If the score is significantly positive, greater than 1, we label it positive. If it's significantly negative, less than 0, we label it negative. Otherwise, we consider it neutral. Now, in the main function, we put it all together. We have a sample sentence. Rust is absolutely amazing. We pass this sentence to our analyze_sentiment function, which calculates the sentiment score. Then, we use interpretSentiment to get the final verdict, positive. And that's it. This is a very basic example, but it demonstrates the core concepts of sentiment analysis. We could expand this by adding more words to our lexicon, handling negation, for example, not good, and even considering the context of words within a sentence.